sign of a bull rally by September. So, couple of things, no, Kamiranda. So, I'm happy kasi yung mga sinasabi ko sa members ay totoo naman. Kahit may mga mali, pero may mga karamihan totoo. Ayan, sabi natin, if we hit a green, sabi natin, the Bank of America, sabi ko, antayin natin. No? If we hit a green, ibig sabihin, below 3.1, edi, a 59K is apparent. A 59K is apparent. So, nagkatotoo naman, pero we need to wait for the 9:30 opening hours of the US because ang ayaw nating mangyari, mag-sell on profit yung mga nakakuha sa ilalim. We don't want this to go down further. Ayun po ang ayaw natin dyan. So we need to wait for the confirmation of the volume on the US market above, no, para masustain niya yung FA na yan. Pero bakit importante? Bakit natin sinasabing importante itong FA or volatility na ito? Because we're going to wait for the rate cuts, no, this coming September. So we're actually